Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel, Mr. Azib. I hope that you are well. So, today I will enter, inshallah, in the course, step by step. And the first thing, it is how to write a Lambda expression. How to write basic Lambda expression. So, before to write Lambda expression, can you tell me what is Lambda expression? I don't know. Sorry. What is Lambda expression? In one word. Remember this word, please. Okay? Simple word. Don't worry. What is it? You are afraid. No. What is Lambda expression? In one word, remember, it is an anonymous function. Ooh. What is anonymous function? I don't know. So just remember, okay? It is an anonymous function. Please, Faisal, can you tell me what is an anonymous function? Yes, don't worry. An anonymous function is a function doesn't have any name. Okay, first thing. The second thing, doesn't have any modifier. And also doesn't have return type. Okay? So, repeat, an anonymous function is a function doesn't have any name, doesn't have any modifier, and doesn't have a return type. So, this is an anonymous function, and Lambda expression is an anonymous function. Okay? Just remember this word. Anonymous, it is a hacker. It is not a hacker method that will break your code or penetrate. No. Don't worry. So, remember this word again. A Lambda expression is an anonymous function. Now, can you write a simple Lambda expression that print hello world, assalamu alaikum? Or can you, Faisal, please show us how to write Lambda expression that, for example, we give them two variable, two integer, and calculate the sum of this variable? Yeah. Also, can you maybe show me if we give them one string, for example, and return anything from this string, for example, the length of the string. Okay? So now we'll just make some examples how to write Lambda expression. Just start for the first example. It is an example for each, I think, programming language. Writing in the console hello world, assalamu alaikum. So in normal Java, or before 1.8, how to write a method that show or display or print hello world. So the first thing, what we do? Public void. After this, we give the name of the function, print message, we open parentheses without any argument, we open curly brackets. After this, system.out.println, parentheses, and hello world. Again, we close curly brackets. That's in Java, before Java 1.8. Now, this function, how to convert it in Lambda expression? Okay? It's very easy. Just remember the three things that I have told before for anonymous function. First thing, what is it? Lambda expression doesn't have any modifier. Shplock, no public. Also, doesn't have any return type. And also, it doesn't have name. Okay? That's our Lambda expression. Now, as you can see, it's really easy. Just added something to convert it to lambda expression, in a full lambda expression. So for this, you will just add a simple arrow. Okay, and here is our lambda expression to print hello world. You can see it's really easy. I have removed the three criteria without a name, without any modifier, and without return time. And I have added the simple row, converted from simple method to lambda expression method. So I give you now another example. I will write a method with two integers, and this method will print the sum of these two integers. Okay? So let's start. Before Java 8, you write the method like this. Public void calcul sum for name, for example. I open parentheses, int a, semicolon, int b, close parentheses, open curly brackets. After this, system.out.println a plus b. Okay, and I close parentheses and semicolon. So now I will convert it to lambda expression using the three criteria, the same thing. Let's start. Shplak. Now modifier. Now return type. Also no name or the function. Okay? So good. Now we just added the simple arrow to convert it to the lambda expression. It's very easy. What we can do also, I will give you three examples to understand very well how to convert a simple function to lambda expression. For the example 3, I want to write a function or the method that I give him a string in parameter, and it returns me the length of the string. Okay? So how to do this? First thing, I write a simple method like public int get length of string, get length, in parentheses, string str, for example, or string s. After this, I will make a return str dot length method, and I close my curly brackets. To convert it to the lambda expression, what I will do, the same thing. I will help you to do it. Do you see? It's it's for children now. When you begin to practice. So let's see. No, you are not children. No, I don't tell you to are children, but I mean it is a game for children. It's easy. So it begins as game for children. So remove the modifier after this. No returning type. Okay, and no name, and don't remove another thing. Okay. Remember, we must add a simple arrow. Okay? Don't forget this, please. So we add a simple arrow and we have our lambda expression. As you can see, I have shown you three examples how to convert the simple method from Java preservation in lambda expression that you can use normally now with remembering these three concepts. Okay? Remember this word. If anyone told you what is lambda expression, okay, just tell him it is an anonymous function. What is an anonymous function? It is a function It doesn't have any name, also doesn't have any modifier, and don't return any type. Okay, doesn't have any return type. It's very easy. I hope you have understand this basic how to convert method from previous Java version to the Lambda expression, and inshallah in the next topic, in next video, I will show you an advanced thing how to write also a Lambda expression. So I hope that you have understand this first concept, and if you like this video, like it please, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.